Hey you guys, welcome back. Today's such an exciting day because we are getting our real Christmas tree today. It's a tradition for us to every year, the day after Thanksgiving, wake up really early, drive to the Christmas tree farm, and enjoy some donuts while we wait for it to open, and then get our Christmas tree, and I would really love it if you guys came along with us this year. We're Evelyn,
Isaac, Eli, Isla, Owen.
and this is On the Farm with E.
Oh,
Let's go! The high today is 32 degrees, so it is going to be freezing. We are finally on our way to the Christmas tree farm. Our Christmas tree farm is over 45 minutes away from our house. We are leaving a few hours early so that we can be the first ones there and go and get the best tree before anyone else. For most of our lives, we went to a different Christmas tree farm, but it recently closed down, so this is the second year getting a Christmas tree from here. We did not end up being the first ones there, but that's okay because we were pretty close to the front. While we waited, we enjoyed some donuts from our local bakery. They were really good. We got here really early so we can be one of the first people in line. Now we have to wait an hour until we can actually go in and start looking for our tree. It's gonna get packed here fast. And I wasn't joking. There were so many people here. Luckily, we were about the first people in line. We literally waited for 45 minutes in the freezing cold. It was horrible, but once we got in, we started running. We wanted to find our tree right away and get home with it. Our goal today is to get a really big tree. At this specific place, you cannot cut down your own tree, so we had to have someone come over and help us out with it.
Watch out!
You got pretty close, Lauren.
That looks like a Charlie Brown tree.
No, it's not brown tree. That's Owen's little one.
Should we take this big one home? Yeah?
And the little one? Yeah.
We can't buy that one yet. It needs to grow bigger. We carried our tree all the way back to the entrance where we had to wait in a line for the tree to get shaken out. And while we waited, there was this little train here that all the little kids went on and they had so much fun with it, especially Oren. So that was a really cool thing that they had at this place. Right now they are shaking out our tree so that it can get all the extra needles out so they won't fall all over our house. They had the cutest little gift shop where you could buy wreaths and ornaments and Christmas decorations. It was so fun. That was chaotic, but we got our tree. Okay, so we just got home and I think we're gonna put the tree over here where all of Mom's plants are. The tree is up, it is huge, and it looks so good. The next thing to do is put lights on it. We got the ladder to put the star on the tree. So we had to take a break from all the festivities to do chores quick, but the next thing that we're gonna do is decorate the Christmas tree. America! Hi, sweetheart. You are so silly.
Evelyn, I just figured out another reason why Nigerian dwarfs are called Nigerian dwarfs.
Because they're small?
No, because they all have beards. Dwarfs always have beards, even the girls.
Okay. Now it's time to go decorate the tree.
Are we ready?
Uh-huh.
1,
2,
3.
Wow! What do you think, Lauren? You guys, look what I woke up to this morning. Snow! This is the first snow we've had this year, and it is so exciting. Last night before we went to bed, we finished up some decorating. We did end up getting a couple inches of snow, and I am really in the Christmas spirit now. I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. Please like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below if you have any questions. Love from our farm to your home.